Hey guys, so I am just about to get ready to do my face. It's been a few hours since I woke up and I'm just gonna get ready to go out tonight. I am going to Soho for dinner. Nothing crazy, so she's gonna do a kind of everyday face. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Cover foundation, and I depends on the time of year, but you know, I can be more tan or less tan. I would normally mix two shades together. So in summer I'm a bit darker. I used to use a sponge to apply my foundation, which was great. Like I used the orange Real Techniques brush. And then one day, I don't know what happened. Oh, one day my bloody dog ate it up and I needed to do my face that day, but I didn't have time to go out to get a new sponge. So then I used a brush for the first time to apply my foundation. This is the Real Techniques brush. I don't know how old this is, but it's old. Anyway, so I used the brush for the first time and it was really good. So I never went back to a sponge since. So foundation is done. Now I'm just gonna put some liquid blush. This is actually a lipstick. It's from Peri Para. I think it's a Korean brand. And I just put some on my cheeks and tip of my nose. I love putting it on the tip of my nose. And I have like blush blindness. Like I feel like I'm not putting enough on. Well, I know I have enough on, but like I just love a lot of it. That's that, and I will powder my whole face, and I'm using the NYX HD finishing powder. And I love using a loose powder, whether it's translucent or not. I do not like pressed powders that much. Next, I'm gonna contour, and depends on the day. Sometimes I just contour my nose. Sometimes I do my cheeks and jawline as well. I think today I might do just my nose, and I'm using the Hoola. I don't know what the name of this one is called. I think there's only one shade. I don't know. Anyways, the Hoola one. Been using this for years, and I used to have the big. I used to have the bigger box or compartment of this bronzer, and then I bought this tiny one by mistake online, and I realized how much I prefer this one because it's so easy to travel with the size. So I do these parts and then I would blend it out with a small fluffy brush. I just bottom first, then yeah, sides. Now we'll start blending the rest. I would also use the same bronzer as like a eyeshadow because I'm too lazy to do proper eyeshadow today. It's like a nice color. I just put this all over my lid to add some dimension. Now I'm just going to use some powder blush, and I'm using the Too Faced in a ginger peach. I've had this for years, like a hit pan. And like I said, I love my blush, so I can go kind of crazy on it some days. Now for my brows, I know I look kind of crazy without them. I'm using this, I think it's a Korean brand, Cyber Colors maybe. My friend gave this to me, and the color is fine, the formula is fine, and so I had no reason to buy something else. So I would only draw in the tail part of it and then blend it out because I like the beginning of my brow to be quite light in color. And then the tail was more defined. Now I use the spoolie side to blend. And then I kind of use two setting sprays. Like one is this, the Maria Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. I use this to wet my face so everything can blend together, and it acts as a base for my highlighter. I'll kind of drown in it sometimes because the water really blends well with the foundation and powder. Then it gives such a smooth texture to your face. And then when it's close to dry, I would use my highlighter, and I like this Becca one. The color is Pearl. It's pretty much just like a white shimmer. I'm using I think the champagne color, that was really pretty as well. But this has lasted me for years. It's just like so much, like, because remember how highlighting was so big back in the day, but now it's not really a thing. I would just do the center of my face, so my nose, and then my inner corner, a bit up the eyelid, on the cupid's bow. Yeah, and I wouldn't put it on my cheeks. So I use it as a eyeshadow sometimes. Color is so pretty. I definitely don't do this eye every day, but sometimes if I'm going out at night, then I would. And finally, I'm gonna set my face with the NYX matte finish spray. I actually don't use any lip products like ever. I don't know, I think they don't look that great on me, so I just skip that step. So I just quickly did my hair, just put some product and hairspray, and I might just wear this leather jacket I thrifted tonight. I'm not sure how cold it will be. It's 23 right now, like during the day, but it might get colder later.